The Wire Shelf Starter Kit by Quantum Storage Systems is a robust storage solution with a remarkable capacity of supporting up to 800 pounds per shelf, suitable for both commercial and residential settings. Its all-welded construction, coupled with additional wire trussing, ensures that each shelf offers long-lasting strength and stability, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty applications. Available in a variety of finishes such as chrome, stainless steel, and multiple epoxy options, this shelving unit can be customized to match any environment. With flexibility in mind, the shelves can be arranged in right angles, straight lines, or back-to-back configurations, providing adaptable storage solutions. The starter kit includes 4 posts and a choice between 4 or 5 shelves, with the possibility of adding more shelves, ensuring it can meet growing storage needs. Certified by the National Sanitation Foundation, these shelves are suitable for use in wet and humid areas, adding to their versatility and durability.